If you usually print out and then tape all the pieces of paper together to make your sewing patterns, then this is a game changer. The Aurzen ZIP Trifold Projector. A sewing pattern projector like this really does help. You just project the actual pattern down onto your fabric and then take the projector away and it's all marked out on your fabric. You haven't had to go to your printer. It's all done. Putting it onto your fabric so you no longer have to print out and, more importantly, tape all those pieces of paper together. It makes marking and cutting the pattern pieces of your sewing pattern so much easier. Look at the size of it as well. I love this projector. It's so compact compared to other sewing pattern projectors. So that's fitting just on my palm. It comes up like this in a Z formation, so you can fix it with the little magnetic mount that it comes with. So this just goes onto the back, and then this is a suction cap that can suction on to shiny surfaces just like this. The projector comes off really easily like that, so on and off, and this just comes off by pushing that knob back and forth. Really clever, and I love that it's just a magnet holding that in place. And really easy to set up for projector sewing. Perfect for traveling, perfect for an already overstocked sewing room just like this. There is too much stuff in here. It's a great little compact thing that fits in the sewing drawer rather than needing to take up the space the size of a sewing machine, which means you have more room to buy more fabric, which is what we all want in the end, isn't it? There's a link below and a discount for you so you can get your Aurzen ZIP Trifold Projector. Anyone who misses their flip phone from the noughties will love this. Just to have that sensation again. Call ended. It's so nice. Great little compact projector that you can take with you on your travels. Head to your Airbnb and project your favorite show, perhaps your favorite YouTube channel, onto the wall. Relax, unwind, and watch the night away. In the description there's a link for you. You can get your Aurzen ZIP Trifold Projector. There's a 10% discount as well. It's all there in the description. Go and have a look. Get one of these. It is a game changer for sewing patterns and will make your sewing projects far more streamlined. It means you don't have to do any printing and you can get straight to the cutting and the actual making of your sewing patterns. I'm Alex and I love to sew. If you love to sew, then maybe follow along for more tips and tricks just like this.